sleep. That's her fault for not telling him what to do.
Where's the last one? There's nothing you can do. It's against the law.
They can't turn the compressor off. It's working.
Of course.
What do you mean, of course?
It's the last one. They're trying to save the thing. Electric for our business.
He got the gun. He's trying to take the tire out. There's no air.
We're trying to save some electric bill.
Yeah, we're trying to save electric bill, but the customer's waiting for his car inside. And there's no air because Moses wants to eat food and sleep.
Alright guys, we got this Huracan right here. You guys have seen this car before on the channel. Everybody loves this Huracan because it's a very simple, clean, modded Huracan. It's got wheels, it's lowered, it looks great. Unfortunately, this client was hit by a motorcycle. He did not hit the motorcycle ran into him. Purely the motorcycle's fault. He's okay, but this beauty is injured. Obviously came back to its home, to the right place to fix it. We're gonna have to replace the whole front end of this vehicle, the hood, the lights, the bumper, the fender, inside components, all that stuff. It's going through insurance, so we're gonna be handling that process for him. If you guys already know, we are a full body shop. We've been doing body shop before all this other stuff, so we're very, very well experienced with this type of work. So we're gonna be taking all this stuff apart. We're gonna be checking out more damages, reporting to the insurance company, making sure this thing returns back to its full factory format. So stay tuned, we're gonna fix this bad boy up.
Beat this?
No. But it made well. We're taking this Lambo to our second location. So we get the parts and we're gonna just store the vehicle there. Because it's a special car, so yeah, we have to store the car like this. Special way. It's hard to get out, and it's hard to get out from the Lambo.
Alright guys, 2 years is behind me, both wide bodies, both white. One of them is mine, one of them is the client's. We just finished up. This is our 7th wide body Urus. My car, as you can see, is a wrap. It's brush white. It's white underneath, but I did the wrap. That car is actually factory white. We painted the whole body kit to match the factory paint, so no wrap work on that whatsoever. Carbon fiber, forged carbon. They both have Veloce design work wheels, which we are working with a lot lately, and my buddy Omar is making some bad wheels. That wide body Urus does not have the hood, but he does have the rest of the flares, carbon fiber mirrors, and the fender trim on that I don't have. So kind of jealous there. These two cars are literally funnest cars to drive. They're both tuned. That car has like a burgundy-ish red interior. Mine has a red and black interior. Really cool interior too. I must give it up to that. It has the roof rack. Mine does not. Originally, I didn't want the roof rack, but now I wish I kind of got it, because if you have that, you could just put the attachments on there and put whatever. By now, I would have thrown off so many things up there, but it's all good. No roof rack on that. Looks sleek. Which one do you guys like more? My car or that one? The one thing I have to say that I really love about mine is the headlights. If you guys remember a long time ago, if you've been following me, we opened up these headlights and we got rid of the orange amber marker on the side. So if you look at that one, it has an orange reflective. This does not. Makes a huge difference in the front. Literally, I don't know any other Urus in the US that has that. One of the best parts about my car is that. That car looks really amazing in the factory paint. I've been thinking about doing my vehicle. You guys already know I'm trying to choose wrap colors. I kind of narrowed it down, but then again, we have so many wraps to do. I don't know when I'm gonna get to it. So I might still wait for a wrap, or I might take off the whole wrap, paint it white, sort of like that one, and get that clean look. What do you guys think? All right, guys. Joe almost fell down. Right here, I'm super excited. We got the RDB wheel. This is technically the first RDB wheel made by us, manufactured by us. This is no longer made by somebody else for us. We went ahead and redesigned it. We had some features we wanted to change on it. Obviously, the RDB wheel has been out for about 2 years. One of the top sellers in the whole entire wheel industry, because it looks good on everything. That wheel blew up. We redesigned it. We're making it a different way. These things are being made super fast now. Forged wheels, of course. The best material on the market. This is a 3-piece 24-inch RDB wheel. No floating cap on this, but we can make it. We're gonna be doing that next on some other cars, so we're gonna show you guys. This is going on a G63 Brabus White Star. As you can see, it says RDB here. We're having the center caps made right now. Currently, we're testing those out. It's gonna have RDB on there, of course. This is two-tone black, so gloss black lip with a satin black center. It's a step lip, of course. We didn't have the step lip for a long time, so we finally have the step lip. Looks amazing. The concave profile on this is ridiculous. One of the best concavities you could get in the entire market. We're gonna be doing that on all the wheels, but I'm super excited for this. So these are only authorized to be sold by us, by RDB. You want the real RDB wheels, you gotta call RDB and order it. We ship worldwide, super fast, like I said, and we'll get you guys out this. I mean, check out these lug nut areas. They're super sleek. Looks amazing with the Ys at the end, with the tips. They're made sharper now. Everything is beautiful on this wheel, so I'm super excited to introduce this into the market. And yeah, if you want to order these, you gotta call us, RDB.
Oh, come on, Sarkis.
I want you to work.
It's not that heavy.
I just want you to work, that's it.
Hey man,
It's gonna look sick.
that's not even for this car. You can't compare it. This is a wide body. This is not for a wide body.
Hey, this is sick. It's crazy. It's one of my favorite. Because of, like, I'm more like old school. I like the wheels with the like lip and everything. So this is one of the crazy wheels RDB ever made. To be honest, I didn't like the old ones, but this one is crazy. It's kind of my taste. Really. What do you think about the wheels?
He made them.
Take it back. Stop playing with it. You're never gonna get it.
I'm gonna find it. Sir. Hold on, let me just bring it.
What is this guy doing, bro? We can't.
Yeah, on the lip, on the lip. Yeah,
put it on
rock
the back,
on the lip,
put it on the
rock
back.
on the lip. Put it in. Put it here.
No, it's gonna go.
There's another lip on the back.
Take your shoe off and put one of your shoes there.
Yeah. Okay, whatever.
It's crazy.
Sometimes I hear, I feel like I hate you.
Me too.
Yeah, you take my time. You give me headache. Let's enjoy it.
Okay, you too.
Alright guys, behind me we have this Mercedes-Benz S63 sedan. This customer, we picked it up from Irvine. It was a white car. It had the wheels already, but it was just a basic white S63. We wrapped the satin black with the jams, of course. We lowered the vehicle. We painted the brake calipers red. It got starlight in the roof. It also had some damage on the hood, so we went ahead and painted the hood, fixed the hood as well. So we did everything at once, and now it's a total transformation, and it's headed back to Irvine. The customer never even came here, full contactless right there. Everything's done, and it's off to the customer.
Jesus Christ. I think these cars are getting smaller and smaller as they go. Or I'm getting fatter.